what's your name?
I'm Anthony from Aftermath Airsoft.
And how long have you been airsofting, Anthony?
I've been airsofting for a little more than 9 years.
Cool.
So I run a Pantech FAPC. I run 3 KWA K120s on the front or on my rig, and on the back here I put Ranger plates just because it's easier to take them out and because it looks cool. And in the front I have a Blue Force Gear 10-speed triple mag pouch, and I like them because when you pull the mags out, they just suck back in and then it keeps a low profile, like I don't even have them there. And the retention's good, so that's why I like them. Okay, so on my belt, I run a Rager's belt, and I try to keep it minimal, so all I have is a double mag pouch made by Pantech with Kydex inserts, and I like it because they're open top, and if I run, the mags aren't going to fall out. Right here I run 2 flash mags, and I like them because they're high cap and you don't have to wind them. And then also right here are my dump pouch, so you can just carry everything from goggles to magazines. Okay, so on my back of my plate carrier I run just a Diamond Tactical map pack, and just a radio pouch with a dummy radio for looks, because you gotta look operated.
You got the can of whoop ass?
Yeah. Okay, so for my sling I run a Magfull MS2. I've had this sling for a long time now and I really like it because it's comfy, doesn't really cut into your neck, and I like how it goes from 1 point to 2 point. So here's why I like this sling. It just clips right into the gun. It locks in place. And also when I'm just walking around, or if I don't want to feel like the gun dangling around, I can go to 2 point in my Magfull RSA right there, and then it just hangs tight to the body.
Cool.
The shirt that I'm wearing is a Rothco tactical shirt, and I like it because it keeps the heavy duty stuff on the arms, and it's a cotton top, so it doesn't get too hot. Pants are the Condor Stealth Operator pants in OD. I run Condor hard knuckle gloves, Condor knee pads, and big lightweight boots. Okay, so I run a KWA KM4. I left the internals pretty stock. I haven't really found a need to touch them. I like the way it performs, so I just kept it like that, and it hasn't really failed on me since then. I did a couple things to the externals. I added a Daniel Fence Mark 18 10-inch rails, Magfull CTR stock, Magfull flip-up sights, Aimpoint Micro T1 replica, the Night Evolution Surefire flashlight, Magfull RVG, just some texture rail panels, and one of my favorite parts is the Magfull BCE flash hider.
I like that. Dig it. You got a pec box?
Oh yeah, and the pec box that carries my 11-1 LiPo.
So how good of a shot are you, Anthony?
I don't know. Let's see. Shit.
Wow. That's some good accuracy, Anthony. So how fast can you reload, Anthony?
I don't know. Let's find out.
That's fast.
Camera operator, right.
Holy!
And back again. Foot, go! Cameraman! Hey, mate! Stop wearing on the track.
Definitely hit. Got him.